All right, what's going on, folks? Mark right back here on the YouTube. Today, I got a gorgeous 2019 GMC Sierra. This is a 4x4 1500 in the AT4 flavor. 5.3 V8, come on now. Anyway, exterior, pretty much mint condition. Body, I mean, come on now. You look down the body lines, she is straight and clean as an arrow. Factory dual exhaust, undercarriage, as clean as they come. It's got dual flipping tailgate. Tires, Nitto, little Nitto Recon Grappler action. See knee deep in a pile of rubber. Driver's side, near perfect condition. Again, rust free. I think this was a 1 owner truck, if I'm not mistaken. Might be 2. Anyway, AT4 factory Rocky Ridge truck. Back then, they lifted these trucks with a BDS kit, which is pretty. I mean, come on, Rocky Ridge. Oh, Rocky Ridge, look at that right there. Rocky Ridge suspension lift coming. So this truck was built after it was produced brand new from Chevrolet. Rocky Ridge gets a hold of it when they're new. They mark up the truck 15, 20 grand back then in 2019. And then you paid a lot of money for a Rocky Ridge truck. However, this truck is priced maybe only 1 to 2 grand above a factory stock AT4. So extremely good deal. You get all the Rocky Ridge shit, the BDS kit, all the upgrades, literally for like $1 grand or 2 more than what this truck does stock. Again, if you would have bought this truck new, shit, an AT4 back then, 19, I'm gonna guess this truck was probably 70 grand with Rocky Ridge shit on it. Maybe 75. Anyway, no big damage to speak about. Nothing I can really point out to you damage-wise. It's a little dirty from the gravel lot. Again, tons of tread on the tires. This truck's been through our service department, full 140-point inspection. Every fluid checked or changed. The interior is fabulous as well. No rips or tears. Go back to, I can't remember if I showed you the back or not, but you got that standalone AT4 leather. Pretty much about the only option this truck doesn't have is a sunroof. You got tri-fold bed cover. If I'm not mistaken, I think, let's see. Yeah, I mean, there's one little tiny nick right there. I'm trying to find some damage for y'all, folks. You know, it's annoying when I can't find any damage, because I know every truck's not perfect, but this damn thing is clean as shit. I'd rate the body of this truck easily probably a 9.5, 9.8 on the scale for a used lifted truck. It's in extremely good shape. Factory heated seats, factory cooled seats. All the upgrades that you would pretty much want if you were buying an AT4. Sunroofs are overrated. Only women want sunroofs. Don't lie. If you guys think this truck sells better with a sunroof, drop a comment. I'd like to hear it. I'd like to hear your explanation of why a sunroof needs to be in a truck. All right, let me go back up in here real quick. Gosh dang, we're about out of fuel. Got little keys. Center console's got a little bit of dirt or something. I don't know. Headliner's free of any like scratch, rips, tears. The passenger seat looks really good. The dash is in extremely good shape. No damage there. This truck is sucking fumes, though. It's got like 30 miles before it runs out. Anyway, if you guys are in the market for a lifted truck, it's a gorgeous AT4. I'm selling this truck right now, $37,900. Retail on the truck's 37 grand. I'm $1 grand over retail on a truck that's got factory. You know, somebody paid 15, 18 grand in upgrades. Brand new on this truck when it was factory. You can see the aftermarket step rails. Those would have been put on the truck too, probably from Rocky Ridge. Anyway, 1984. If you got any questions, give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. You can find us right here for your local Charleston, South Carolina, DLUX Motorsports, right here on Highway 78. Tons of lifted trucks, over 50 in stock. Make sure you guys come check them out. If this ain't the right truck for you, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys may want to see us buy. Hey, you never know. I may just take your word. I may just take your advice and just go buy it. Anyway, till next time, next video. It's your boy Mark. I'm out of here. Y'all take it easy. Peace.